testify for you. I do that 3-4 times again, I testify.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thank you for coming. We are back with the Yugo trays, hair extensions, clip-ins, and from my other video they seen that they didn't send me enough hair for my whole head because my hair is thick, you know. So they hit me up and said, oh, we can send you another one, another pack for free. Okay. So they sent me some blonde. So really nice color blonde. And this is human hair, y'all. Just like the other clip-ins I put in, it's human hair. And no smell. Smells like a brand new car, put it that way. And yeah, we're gonna be installing these plus the last ones, the black ones. We're gonna give ourselves a little highlight, you know. But first, I'm gonna show you what's on this bonnet. Yeah, so yeah, I'm just gonna flat iron my hair and then go back and put in the hair clips. But I'm gonna come back with y'all when I put in the hair clips.
Are you fighting on me and I'm the main one crying? Are you blaming on me and you're the main one crying? Are you blaming on me and I'm the main one crying?
Let me lose when I'm with you. How can I lose and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody do body like you do. I can't lose when I'm with you. How can I snooze and miss the moment? You're just too important. Nobody do body like you do. You do. Take a step out, get some air now, let your edge out. To some iceberg, you'll be heavy in my mind. Can you get the heck out? I need rest now, got me bummed out. You baby. I've been on my empty mindset. I should've kept from losing the best of me. I worry that I wasted the best of me. Oh, yeah, baby, you don't care. Sometimes when I be a nuisance, it's just urgent. Trying to make some little change, got me a war in my mind. Gotta let go of weight, think he was holding me. Choose the right, but it will pick up in front of me. All the while, I wave my arm, will feel it and smile. Still wanna try to believe in good days, always inside. Good days in my mind, help me on my fears, my limitations. I disappear if you live. Feeling like Jericho, feeling like Joe when he lost his shit. Gotta hold my own, my cross to bear alone night. Ooh, way to kill this mood. No, you like that shit, can't do it, baby. Heavy on my empty mindset. I gotta keep from losing the rest of me. just urgent. Trying to make sense of little change, got me a war in my mind. Let it go away, he was holding me to the right, but it will pick up in front of me. All the while, I wave my arms and feel it is now. Still wanna try, still believe in good days. Sunny inside, good days in my mind.
Look at her. Look at her mama, man. Look at her. That ain't my girl. That's my nigga. Catch me out on Ocean Drive with her. Hey, catch me in the whip, ride with her. Hey, sipping something, bumping big, hypnotized with her. Pray you get that job in Tampa. That's only 4 hours away. Take a car, take a plane, baby, whichever is faster. Oh, whichever one is in the household. Oh, damn, yeah, man. Oh, never knew, no, I never knew that you be a freak and a friend too. Yeah, you into everything I'm into. Oh, I got something that I could lend you. Oh, a piece of mind, baby. Come and get a piece of mind. Yeah. Say you gotta work from 3 to 9. Oh, I get you home by a decent time. Wait, your bed, you can sleep in mine. Yeah, let's make it happen, girl, I need some time. Speaking of time, who stopped it? That's the feeling that I get when we lock lips. I got the weed at the crib and the liquor too. I f*** your soul, I release in your spiritual. I be your muse, bring your easel and pencils too. Here you go, you try and tease with them pictures. You could ride on me just like you ride the elliptical. She said I'm trying to keep it tight for my nigga. Girl, I like your last nigga, all I need is mental. You know I'll work you out, get you right with your physical. Always just another interlude. Asking all them questions, girl, you know I don't do interviews. It's pitiful that when I'm with them other bitches, I pretend it's you. Oh, you work at Kohl's, you in dental school. Wife and now you folding clothes, cooking dinner too. Young chiller, girl, I'm known as Pin Griffey too. It's only right that I swing by and hit it too. First base, second base, third base. I'm trying to get you in your birthday. Oh, I know these other niggas thirsty, but please never entertain them, cause that would hurt me, you feel me? Feel me? Yeah. I know you feel me. Oh, I know you feel me. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Whoa, whoa. Huh. Girl, I know you feel me. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh, so much to live for, too, baby. Whoa. Let's not rush into it now. Let's not rush into it. When we get to it, we can give it all that we got.
Can't focus on me. Baby, can you focus on me? Hands in the stove, how the faucet's running and I keep looking at you. Stuck on your phone, you're stuck in your zone. You don't ever, but I don't wanna give up. Baby, I just want you to give up. Lately, I've been a little fed up. Wish you would just focus on me. Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me?